Boo, boo, boo. Guys, we are back. I'm doing myself. We are back on this channel, and we are talking about the unlimited upside of Bitcoin Cash, guys. And I'm trying to do this another way. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this video, guys, because I want to make sure the way I explain it kind of gets how I feel about Bitcoin Cash, like how much of an upside potential it could have, and maybe why it's rising soon. Because guys, the price is up. I don't know if you guys have seen the price, so. I'm not going to try to bring up charts on this video, guys. I want to kind of just focus on stuff other than the price of what's going on with Bitcoin Cash. So we got a halving coming up. We got upgrades. We got, cash tokens. We got all these things, guys, that are badass that honestly, I'm going to be honest, I don't know too much about it. So I don't really want to fixate too much on what's going on. There's plenty of stuff online already on that stuff. I'd rather focus on, guys, let's talk about the price. All right. So we're at about 6 months here since the price has initially gone up, right? We went up, I don't know, 100, 200, 300% maybe. We were at, I don't know, under $100, and then we went up to 300, so we went up 200%. So we kind of have been in this zone since then where we haven't really, moved on the upside. We've just been seeing a lot of volatility in crypto overall. We've been seeing just a lot of volatility, especially in Bitcoin Cash. We've been seeing it swing 20, 30%. Back down to $180, then back up to 270. We've been seeing this crazy roller coaster ride with the price. But in this time span, and this is why I'm going to be doing a video on Bitcoin SV, obviously after, I'll probably just drop these videos at the same time, maybe even, or, something like that. But we've seen Bitcoin SV now rise almost to 300%. Did we go up 200%? I guess that's not true. We went up to 50, but really we went up about 400% from $17, right? 500%, somewhere around there. So I think right now we're at like $90. So again, this video is particularly addressing Bitcoin Cash, but it's also kind of addressing Bitcoin SV, right? Because these things are kind of going on at the same time. This has been kind of a ongoing thing. Since I would say June, July, since the price on Bitcoin Cash rose. And it's when I say ongoing thing, guys, I'm directly associating what I'm saying with price. We've seen a price swing in Bitcoin SV recently. I guess you could say arguably we had two increases with Bitcoin Cash at that point. But since then, we've seen Bitcoin Cash just kind of stay volatile in between, like I said, 180, 100, $260. Which is great. I mean, that's way better than $100, but we've also seen increased volatility on Bitcoin SV. So what does this mean, guys? I don't know, guys. Drop it in the comments. Like, put it in the comments right now why it's fresh on our minds. Like, are these coins going to kind of go up together here soon? Do you think they're going to go up at one point? Do you think we're going to still see this breakaway thing where we see separated markets? But I feel like they're kind of going up. They're kind of going up back and forth at the same time. So, you see me dancing right here. So we're kind of doing this thing that they're going up at the same time, basically because that would give us a more of a idea of maybe where these prices are going, guys, in the short term, in the long term, maybe kind of what we can expect, in terms of gains. And guys, I've been talking about this for a while, but, I've been throwing it out there like 10x on Bitcoin Cash is nothing. 20x on Bitcoin Cash is still nothing because you got to look at the overall what Bitcoin Cash can do as an overall market and how much money it can basically take out of all these other markets that are just, not cash friendly, right? They're not regarded as cash friendly markets, however you want to look at that. But we take that money, that market share, whatever from that, and that seems like probably the best way to do this. And if you guys are wondering what I'm looking at this fucking cricket on the side of the wall up here. And we want to keep rolling with the video, but if you guys are wondering what the fuck I'm looking at. So the unlimited upside, guys, is a lot. I mean, it's unlimited on the upside. Bitcoin SV, it's unlimited on the upside. There's no end to the upside potential once we start seeing increases in price. So, throwing numbers out there, I mean, again, guys, not financial advice. These are just personal opinions. I think Bitcoin Cash could go up to potentially 20 grand. I don't think that's, in a ballooned market. that might be possible, guys. And, you know, I'm not saying it's going to stay up there for a long time. I'm not saying it couldn't go higher. But, you know, we see these markets in crypto where they kind of balloon up really fast, and certain coins go to certain levels, and then they kind of obviously retreat back down. We don't ever see where it just goes all the way up and just keeps on going up, and it just keeps on going up. Probably the cycles in that keep going up will get shorter and shorter, where eventually just does keep going up and up. But again, we can't predict that, guys. We can only go on what's already happened. So if we look at what's already happened, we see consolidation periods, and then we see balloon price. So obviously the balloon price is going to be in different coins. It's not all going to be in the same coin, that kind of thing. But I do have a radar on, guys, for BSV, Bitcoin Cash, you know, some of these payment coins, because I do think they're going to go up more than people think, guys. So I guess that'll wrap it up, guys. Just kind of a little update on Bitcoin Cash, kind of, you know, current stuff that we're looking at with price. That kind of thing. So, guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And we will see you in the next video. Later.